Ogai mar Azimio Raila oriwore kod jokanisa mar ACK Nyamira e gwenge ma Bondo ne alam mar nyasi mar Christmas. Raila omedo kwayo piny owacho mondo mi oket chenro mag duoko piny nengo mar ngima ni mar jo Kenya medo mana hinyore. Omedo kwayo jopiny onya kwe kinde duto ahinya di kinde ni mag sikuku.
The giver of life, the savior, the one who is my father, that as we celebrate Heavenly Father in the name
we forgive those who have wronged us this year, but we also want those whom we have wronged to forgive us at this time. These people who are making things bad, it's not because they want to deliberately make them bad, but it's because they don't know how to make them better, because they're trying to treat an illness with the wrong type of medicine. Doctors themselves have never resolved the problem that the Guru was telling you. Let us create opportunities for more product, more consultations. Let us consult more. You don't need to be talking too much. You are talking to a dead wood which is not listening to you. Prepare yourselves for difficult times, but also prepare to deal with those difficult times.
Kwa mga jongo bila ma county mamuranga nono tho